Hello all, when we are working on pandas and we are just reading a CSV file to display that CSV file, you can see here there is a additional column that is coming. Like for example, here we are reading the pandas file, sorry, the CSV file using pandas, and we actually have a CSV file with projects in a year and defects. We don't have any other columns. But when we see here, we see that there is an additional column called unnamed 2. Why did this come? So there might be cases where an additional column might have got created in your Excel. So apart from A and B columns, try to delete the other columns. Okay, and then try to save. Okay, save this file and go back and upload the file again. The Anaconda file, okay, and you are trying to overwrite here and go to the notebook and try to run this. Okay, you can see here the column got deleted. So basically these are because generally these additional columns come because there might be a data which we might have unintentionally added, and the pandas, when we read the CSV file using the pandas, we see that that column comes up. So this is the simplest way to do. There are other ways to do as well, we can do through a simple Python script as well. But this is the easiest way to do if you have a simple data.